Samlex Solar features RV power products including solar panels and kits, charge controllers, inverter, chargers, DC, AC power inverters, battery chargers, transfer switches, and more. Package dimensions: 6.604 h by 13.97 l by 21.843 w centimeters. LED indicators for voltage protection and overload protection. Package weight: 0.45 pounds. Country of origin: China. Top reviews from the United States. If you have a compatible Samlex inverter, then the remote is a must-have. Even more true if you also have a Samlex charger. The reason is that the remote will inform you not only of the output of the inverter, including whether the fan is operating, but also b. the approximate charge status of your battery bank, and c. low input voltage warning, d. output fault, e. input fault, all from a distance of up to 10 feet from the inverter and charger. In addition, the on/off button is surrounded by an LED, which means that it can be seen in the dark. If you are creating a small solar system, here are two other items to consider: a HQST40AMPPT solar charge controller, B01B2938BU, with B. tracer meter MT50 for commander charge controller with LCD display, BOOSW1ZP2W, which will inform you in detail the status of your solar panels and your battery bank, including the latter's actual voltage.